Okay, so I want to make some adjustments to the spray and the materials that are applied to the spray and the drips that are in the scene. So let's start by, let's see, I renamed a few items here. So my drops that have the physical materials applied to them, or the physics applied to them, are named drops 1 and drops 2. The spray is labeled spray, where it gets its sort of source information from is named spraylets. So I'll create a new material. I'll just on the spray, or actually, it inherits it from the spraylet. So I'll go to the spraylet. I will just remove the item that's attached to it, the material that's attached to it, and I will create a new material. And I will call that material spray mat. And then I think what I'll do is, so that should be applied to this. That's already changed. I'm going to change the principled BDSF shader to, I think, an emission shader. So that might work as some kind of a waterfall material, like the water spraying up and out. I think we'll leave the strength at 100%. And for the moment, we'll just leave it like that. I do think I need to make a few changes, though. I'm going to get the water back out of the way, because now this is just sort of shooting out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to the particles properties. Oh, except I need to actually select the item where the particles are shooting out from. And then let's go ahead and make a small change or two. So I think one of the things I'm going to do is I'm going to go down to my field weights, and I'm going to take the gravity up just a touch more. And then I think also on the object alignment, I'm going to take Z up. Previous video, I'd only had it adjusted it on Y. But I think on Z, I'm going to do a negative adjustment to draw it down a little bit more. And I might tighten this up a little bit. So I might, on Y, take that up a bit. On Z, I'm going to take that down a little bit more. Now, because it's hitting that much sooner, the particles, their lifetime is longer, or is the same length, but now they're sort of bouncing up into the air far more than you'd expect or want. So I think the next thing I'm going to do is, again, with that item, with the spray selected, I'm going to take the lifetime of the particles down quite a bit. Something like that, where maybe they bounce, some of them bounce up at least a little bit, but nothing too crazy. So there, that's a little bit better at least. I might actually duplicate this and we'll grab it on Z and move it up a little bit. And I'll grab it on X and move it a little bit. Yeah, that might work. Let's see. Let's grab spray one again, and I think I'm going to grab it and move it over on X back to where it was slightly. Yeah, I think that that's something like that is a nice little improvement. There's certainly more I can be that I can do to make that seem a little bit more like water, but for the moment, that's starting to get there.